We'll guide you through how to give access on Google Drive. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To give access on Google Drive, begin by launching Google Chrome on your desktop or laptop computer. Click inside the search box at the top of your browser window, type Google Drive, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. From the results, click the official link to open the Google Drive homepage. Once the page loads, press the Sign In button to access your personal storage space. Choose the Google account you want to use for this task. If a passkey prompt appears, click the Continue button to proceed. Enter your passkey or use your device's fingerprint or face scan if available. If prompted to add a backup phone number, click Cancel to skip it. You may also see requests for additional profile information, which you can skip as well. After signing in, your Google Drive dashboard will be ready for use. To organize your files, start by creating a new folder. Click the plus New button on the left side of the screen and select New Folder from a list. Enter a name for your folder and click the Create button to confirm. Once the folder appears, open it by double-clicking on its icon. Inside the folder, click the plus New button again to begin adding content. Choose File Upload from the drop-down menu. Your computer's file manager will open, allowing you to browse your files. Locate the document you want to share, click on it to highlight it, and then press Open to upload it to Google Drive. Wait for the upload process to complete fully before continuing to the next step. After the file appears in the folder, click on it once to select it. Then click the three dots icon at the top of the page and choose the Share option. In the next window, click Share again to open the full sharing settings. Type the email address of the person you want to give access to in the input field. Select the correct profile from suggestions. Make sure the access level is set to Editor, then click the Send button. The person will now have immediate access to view or edit your file without restrictions.